So here guys, I've got the Honor Band 4. It's an AMOLED screen. On the front I can see some of the features like heart rate monitor, sleeping monitor, swimming activity and Alipay. And remember, this is the Chinese variant of this device. On the back they give more detailed features including the battery life and etc. They also give me a screen protector. So now let's unbox this. So inside we've got the charging dock, charging cable and the Honor Band 4. It is in black color. It has three main colors of the strap: dark blue, light pink and black color. The main unit is in black color. Now we start charging this Honor Band 4. So I will use my own charging cable to charge this Honor Band 4, but you can use the charging cable inside this package. You just plug the charging cable into the charging dock of the Honor Band 4 and then plug Honor Band 4 under part on that charging dock. After this, I'm gonna show you how to pair up the Honor Band 4 with the Huawei Health app. So now guys, we're gonna go and test the cool feature of real-time heart rate on this Honor Band 4. Scrolling up and down to find the heart rate mode, tap on it and then you're gonna put the Honor Band 4 on your hand and it will start counting the heart rate for you.